Grief had swallowed Margaret Holloway whole. Days blurred, silence echoed. Then came Rufus, a rescue dog with gentle eyes and an unshakable routine. Every morning at 6 a.m., rain or shine, he insisted, one walk, one step, one breath. She didn't know it then, but his leash was pulling her back to life. With every walk, Rufus gave her purpose. With every look, he offered comfort. And in the quiet between footfalls, she found healing. He didn't speak, he didn't judge, but he saved her in the only way a dog can.